Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is your very own Manisha. You might be wondering why am I so geared up today? Oh, because it's a special episode. You know, we talk about hot cars, supercars on our channel. But today we're going to be talking about, yes, can you guess? It's all about racing. And I am geared up for something special. I won't reveal it right now. Keep watching. Let's talk about rallying. The World Rally Championship is an epitome of rallying. And in India, it is INRC, Indian National Rally Championship. I am so lucky that this year I am going to be participating in it. Rallies are races held over a long distance. They can be on tarmac or dirt. It is like a cross-country racing which starts from Kanyakumari, can go all the way to the Himalayas. Just imagine racing through these scenic places from the mountains to the forests. What fun! Now that you know about racing, tell me the one thing that's most important before you start racing. Getting trained, dude. And I'm super lucky to tell you that I'm being trained by the best trainer. He is none other than the 2019 and the current national champion, Mr. Chetan Shivram. Let's get some tips from him. Welcome to my show, sir. It's a pleasure to have you here.
Pleasure's all mine.
Everybody is fascinated about motorsports, but nobody knows where to start, when to start. Can you please shed some light onto it?
Sure. So, motorsports, like you've already said, has a huge genre. Okay, but I specialize in rallies. So, what I'm going to do is just tell all the budding enthusiasts who want to get into motorsports that they have to enter from the basic level. So, we conduct a lot of events which are grassroots level. Okay, and some of those are what we know as the autocross or the gymkhanas. Now, this is basically grassroots level where for beginners, this is an excellent platform for them to come and start actually taking part in motorsports. And the best part is you don't need any kind of machinery that is specific for it. You can even bring your street cars and start using it. So that is how you get into the sport actually. Of course, I would always suggest that you come to one of our rally schools because then we teach you the basics of getting into the sport. So you don't do things wrong, right? You could have your own car, go practice and be practicing the wrong things over and over again. But if you come to us, we will teach you the right things and then you can practice that and get better at your driving and, you know, skills basically.
Guys, you have my word. I have been to his classes. They're one of the best and I recommend them to you. Well, before training, let me show you which car I'm going to be using. And let me warn you, these cars and girls are pretty similar. I mean, as they say for the girls, the beauty lies within. It goes same for the cars. Here it is. This baby here, it's an S-Team. Yeah, it looks like an ordinary car, but what goes within is the magic. Racing is super fun, I agree. But what's most important is the safety. I'll show you, come. So the car is fixed with a roll cage. That's a roll cage. It goes all around the body of the car. So in case of any accidents or topple, this saves you, the driver and the car. Next comes the seat. It's a single mold seat. Well, it looks cute too. It's from OMP and it has a spine support, good spine support. And in case of any injuries, you know, the car might have, you are safe. The third is the seat belt. Unlike your car seats, the one seat belt, this is a 5-point harness. Let me show you how we put it. That's it. You're protected. Well, you can see there are a few switches here. This is an ECU. It's an engine management system. You can manage your revs, play around the engine a lot. There's a fan switch. So you are like racing at high speeds, continuously going on. So you need a fan to cool down the engine. There's a pump here. It's a secondary pump in case you lose the first one. And this one is a kill switch. It totally kills the engine. What I mean to say is, in case of any calamity, you want to completely stop the car instantly. That's your baby. Let us come to the real deal, the engine. We have these bonnet clips to fasten the bonnet, and what goes inside the engine is magic. You can really play around. So this is an INRC 4 car, so least amount of modifications are done to the engine. Like you will see the air filter, it's totally different, a big air filter which is out on the exterior to give more air to the engine. Also there is a modification in the silencer, like it's called the header, it gives more power to the engine. So as you level up your game from INRC 3, 2, 1, you can go mad with the modifications of the engine and the gearbox. It's limitless. Let's have a look at the tires. So these are special tires only meant for racing. If you can see the knobs out here, that helps the car to run on dirt. The most important thing before getting into a car and racing is the track walk. Yes, it's the recce of the track, understanding every turn, every corner, and perfecting them will give you an edge over the other racers. Every second counts. Guys, I told you I'm going to do something special for you. Here it is. I'm going to take you to an actual race. Yes, an autocross race. What is an autocross race? Well, it's a fixed track race. It can be on tarmac or dirt. Today's race is on dirt and I am participating. Damn, butterflies in the stomach, but super excited. You know what happens in this race is there are participants who are given 2 laps and the total time taken is calculated. The participant who does the least time is the winner. Wish me luck. Let's go. Guys, going for the race, butterflies in the stomach, super excited. Wish me luck. Guys, I've actually won this trophy. Oh my god, I am the second runner-up. But I'll tell you, that doesn't matter. What matters is you just enjoy the race, Winning and losing doesn't count. Just be competitive and have fun. Well, I'll see you in the next episode soon with lots of more hot cars. Until then, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Hot Car Girls. See you.